Hey there YouTube, welcome to Big Mike Beard Wisdom. So today we're working on the 2016 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, changing the air filter. So super duper easy. This should be similar on a 15 through 18 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, maybe even similar to other Hyundai Sonatas. So the Hybrid, you can tell by like the yellow cable or orange cable and the hybrid cover. But I've been needing to change out this air filter for quite a while. The air filter's super easy, so all you have to do is basically just lift up here, because it's got three little fingers at the top that catch in here, and these two little silver pieces just catch down here. So super easy to take the filter out. Then you can see right here it says pull. Out comes the filter. You can see this one's pretty dirty. Then I ordered one off of Rock Auto. So this one was pretty cheap, just a frame extra guard. You always want to compare the filters, make sure they're similar in size and stuff like that. Then install the new one. Line up your three fingers. And then make sure it's pushed down. And just like that, it's in. Easy peasy. So again, if you had to take it out, just lift up down here. That pops these loose. Grab your tab. Take it out. Admire its dirtiness or cleanliness. Put the new one in. Line your three fingers up on the top. Push down. And you're good to go. So, if you guys need to change your air filter, because it's been a while. It's definitely super easy, and you could probably change it faster than this video. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll check you next time.